We are here right now at DSE at the Minicom booth. I'm here with Andrew Salviejo, who's going to be explaining a little bit about where Minicom fits into the digital signage space, because now they're bringing a lot of new things. So first of all, Andrew, thank you so much for being here with us today. I wanted to see, first of all, where does Minicom fit into the digital signage ecosystem? Because I understand you guys are going through a little bit of a kind of rebranding.
Yes, yeah, a repositioning, if you will. But originally, and we are known for the marketplace for our analog extension products. For example, like the DS Vision 3000 system, which we won a Digi Award for, which essentially transmitted analog signals over Cat5 cable to all of the screens that required them, in addition to sound as well as serial and communication.
Right.
Now, with DSE 2011, we are repositioning ourselves in the digital signage marketplace by introducing a whole suite of new products that specialize in the extension of digital signals and all of the feature sets that come along with digital signals. For example, end-to-end proof of performance, which is a feature of our DS Vision digital extenders. Not only can we go farther and support greater resolutions with our digital extenders, we also allow network owner operators minute control over their entire digital signage network through a combination of our equipment and a new software platform which we're releasing called SMG, which stands for Screen Gate Management Gateway. Okay. And this allows network owner operators to interface with their digital signage network in a way that was only a part of imagination before. Like, for example, not simply everything from simply turning a set of screens off and on to having their billing systems interact with our platform and find out how long has the screen been on, which channel has it been switched on to, and then build their customers accordingly. So that's what we mean by repositioning ourselves.
Yeah, so it's basically a new form of management for these types of systems that's going to give somebody an easier time when they're trying to figure out the best way to kind of put it all together themselves.
Yeah, absolutely. And all of our that sounds pretty complicated, but when you get down to it, our new digital products, like for example the DSVD and the IP streamer. They're all plug-and-play technology. So for all of the installers out there that are watching this and are worried, with all of these new buzzwords and whatnot, at the end of the day, their day is going to be a lot easier because they won't be tuning anything. They won't be up on ladders trying to fiddle around with dip switches. You just plug your HDMI cable in at one end and at the other. Make sure your Cat5 cable is pinned out correctly, and that's it.
Which is fantastic. So we're going to actually move over to an actual demonstration of the software right now.
Sure. I just wanted to give you a quick example of what we're doing here. Every single device from the player to the screen and everything in between in our booth right now is being monitored by our SMG platform, the Screen Gate Management Gateway. And you can see a visual representation of that right here. Every single player, every single connectivity device, whether it's Minicom made or a player made by DT Research who supplied the players for us, is being monitored by our SMG platform. And from here, I will be able to figure out, I'll be notified in real time of any issues that are afflicting my digital signage network. So as a result, what ends up happening is at the end of the day, your total cost of ownership is dramatically decreased because you know exactly what's wrong with your system before even your client knows. And as a result, you'll be able to send out a team to fix whatever it is, swap out a receiver, swap out a screen, and reduce the amount of money and time it takes to troubleshoot, to replace, to come back again and actually fix what's wrong after you've finally figured it out. So that's the value proposition that we bring to the digital signage marketplace with the SMG platform, with our digital extension devices.